Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn one more important topic in class 6th. That is, we are going to study about early man. You know well, early man, he was lived in the forest area. Early man's shelter was under the caves, under the rocks, or under the trees. Early man, he completely started his life like a nomadic life. They never settled in one place because their main occupation was searching food, gathering food. That is the main occupation of early man. So that is why we can call early man lifestyle was nomadic life. Nomad means they changed their places regularly for searching food. Early man, they ate flesh meat. They ate raw flesh because they don't have any knowledge. They don't have any knowledge how to eat that roasted meat. They don't have knowledge about fire. So first early man, he started nomadic life. His main duty was gathering food gathering. And these early man people, they lived all like a group wise. Early man, they lived in a group wise because they protect from the animals, from the wild animals. All these early men, they live like a groups. If they get any food, they share all that food item. That we can call sharing life. Their life was sharing life. There is no differences between rich and poor. There is no rich and poor. All are equal. That is why we can call that their sharing life. And also nomadic life. All the people lived like group wise to protect from the wild animals. After a few years, man, he used some tools for killing animals, for hunting animals. He used some tools. That age we can call as Stone Age. The period when early man was used stone tools, that period we can call as Stone Age. That Stone Age again into two. Again we studies into two parts. One is Old Stone Age and New Stone Age. Okay, so these tools which made up of rock, that period, that age we can call as Stone Age. This Stone Age again to Old Stone Age, New Stone Age. These tools completely they used to hunting animals. So Old Stone Age means somewhat different, very rough, and New Stone Age they sharpen the rocks to kill the animals. They sharpen the rocks to kill the animals. That we can call New Stone Age. So the early man tools which are they used, that we can call as microliths. That we can call microliths. The early man tools we can call as microliths. See how man is developing. And then after, man is domesticated some animals. After some 1,000 years after, man started domesticating animals. The main reason is to protect themselves from the wild animals. So they started to domesticating animals. And for getting meat, and for like to get to shelter, and they wear the clothes completely made out of animal skin. So man started for domesticating of animals. Then after, see how first one gathering food, next one they started developing the domesticating animals. Then they used some tools, that is stone tools. That tools was called microliths. After 1,000 years, after a few thousand years after, man discovered fire. Man discovered fire. From that onwards, after discovering the fire, man started to eat roasted meat. Early man started to eat roasted food, roasted meat that was very tasty compared with the raw flesh meat. After discovering a fire, man's lifestyle totally changed. And he wanted to live one place. First, man started settle life near the river bank area because their water is available, and for animals water also available, so that man started to live near the river banks in a group wise. That is called growing food. From that onwards, near the river banks, man started agriculture. How? By shifting cultivation or zooming cultivation, man started to grow plants. Before that, man eat only hunting animals, and he ate some of the fruits and roots of the plants and tubers. All these things they ate in the olden days. After that, slowly, by using his knowledge, man started agriculture near the river bank. That is shifting cultivation, started in the river bank area. So many archaeologists means nothing but who study about past, who study the past things. People who are called archaeological department. So that archaeological department, by digging the earth, they got many information. They got a lot of information about ancient man or early man in Telangana also. Mainly in Telangana, Kurnool district. In Kurnool district, there are number of early man caves for their archaeological department. They excavated many caves of early man in Kurnool district. Betamcherla, next one Banaganapalle. In these places, many old caves of early man and their tools, stone tools, everything they got in these places. So by seeing that old tools, we can understand about that early man lifestyle. And next where the early man was lived under the caves, on the walls of the rocks they painted some pictures on the rocks under the caves by using bamboo brush. So they painted something on the walls. So this is the growing food, and from gathering food to growing food, ancient man developed his knowledge. Okay, this is clear. So ancient man used the tools completely made up of stone. That stone again to old stone and new stone age. That all the tools of early man we can call as microliths. That tools we can call microliths. Okay, so these are the main. One is nomadic life. He started he used the tools with made up of stone, that is stone tools. Again these two stages, old stone and new stone. And next one, main occupation was hunting animals, and then he started that domesticating of animals. And ancient man was lived under the caves and under the trees. And next one, he discovered fire. After the discovering of fire, early man lifestyle was totally changed. And then after, he started to settle life near the river bank.